Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for too long. Now it's time I bring it back. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be showing you how I created this beautiful cut crease pink eye. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I'll catch you guys later on. Anyways, I start off by hydrating my face with this hydrator I got from the Body Shop. And to prime my face, I'm gonna be using the HD makeup primer and it's called Flawless Finish. And the brush I'm gonna be using to prime my face is from Wonder 2. They were kind enough to send me this brush and some other products I'm gonna review later on. So I'm just gonna gently dab that on my skin and make sure all my pores are covered and nice and smooth. And today I'm going to be using the foundation from Too Faced Born This Way collection range, and it's in the shade Chai. This is the same one that Jackie uses. So you know, we're just bonding that way. And to apply the foundation, I'm going to be using my beauty blender from Real Techniques. This is literally the only beauty blender I use. And to highlight my face, I'm going to be using a highlighter as well from Too Faced. And this is in the shade Maple. This is legitly my favorite concealer. It is quite pricey, but it does the job. Like, it blends in so perfectly, especially with the foundation. They are the perfect combination, like literally. Just look at how that blends out. Like, look at that, it's so flawless. And because I want a lighter under eye, I'm gonna go in again with this concealer I got from NYX. This is more cheaper than the one from Too Faced, obviously, so you could literally just go for one of them, but I like a yellow undertone. Like, I like my eyes to be yellow underneath them, so I do the extra step. So this is in the shade CW06.7. And as you can see, I literally just only apply this under my eye, a bit on my nose and my chin. I don't put it on my forehead because that makes it a bit extra, but you could just literally put it under your eye. Now to contour my cheekbones, I am going to be using the darkest shade. Like, I have this palette, the concealer palette from MAC. It has like 6 different shades, and I literally use the darkest one from that. I don't know what's going on my screen, not focusing. Yeah, I literally use the darkest shade from there. So I literally start off by contouring my cheeks, my forehead, and then my nose. And to blend this out, I'm gonna be using this beautiful brush I got from Mophie brushes. It literally does the most. Like, I think I'm gonna have to purchase another one because it's literally the best contour brush you can use. I use it for contouring myself and also applying like my bronzer, as you see later on, but I love this brush. And the name of this brush is M536. If there's one brush you want to get from Mophie brushes, I feel like it's this one. And these brushes are quite on the cheaper hand. And to contour my nose, I'm going to be using my brush from Real Techniques. And to set my highlighter, I'm going to be using my favorite powder. This is literally, I don't know how many of these are finished, but like, yeah, it's my favorite setting powder. And I literally apply it where I've just applied the concealer. And I started doing this new technique to my nose, and I feel like other than just applying everywhere, if you do this, it literally kind of sculpts your nose more. Because before I just used to apply, but if you make like that straight line over there, like your makeup is gonna be lit. Like, it's gonna be lit. And to set my contour, I'm going to be using a MAC powder in the shade NW45. That's what I use to set my contour, and I use the same Mophie brush to do this as well. And now I'm just gonna be sculpting my cheekbones. So under my contour, I am going to be using this beautiful concealer. I'm trying to preserve it, as you can see. I'm gonna use this to sculpt my cheekbones. So you just go under your contour and sculpt it. This is literally also another new technique I've been doing, and I find it that it looks nice, especially in pictures. Like, it sculpts your cheeks more. Now for this pinky beautiful gorgeous eye. Damn, these lashes are so beautiful. So I'm going to be using the colors that you can see me pointing at because I can't find my eyeshadow palette, so I'm not going to be able to tell you which colors I used exactly, but those three colors are literally the only colors I used. So the first shade, which was the lighter of the three colors, I apply that to my crease. And with this technique, like, instead of brushing, I'm sort of like dabbing in. So you like dab as you're brushing, just don't brush, like dab as you're brushing. Like, and then now I'm using purple. That's the darkest shade inside the... So where you put your cut crease is literally where you put the darkest shade, basically. So you start off with the lightest color, followed by second lightest, and then the darkest, and then you cut the crease. That's the technique I use. And then the concealer I'm going to be using to carve my eye, I'm going to be using Lego Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And I'm gonna be using this beautiful this beautiful pink glitter on the lid of my eye. And on top of that pink glitter, I'm gonna use a different type of glitter. You can literally use any pink glitter you have. I got this one from Vault Cosmetics in Zim. And then just at the top of the glitter, I'm going to be taking my NYX white pen and just carving that out. This needs a steady hand, otherwise you literally ruin all your hard work. And now I'm gonna be applying these beautiful lashes from GLAM Lashes. Hit me up if you want some lashes. Look at that, these are so beautiful, and these are in the type Official Girl, you know what I'm saying. So I did the black cat eye off camera because of the glitter, it was getting in the way. And now I just apply these lashes. The white glue dries up, so don't worry about the white glue. And now I am going to be using my blush from MAC Cosmetics, and it's a bronzer or blush in the shade format Frost. I don't know if they still have it. The thing with MAC is they literally discontinue a lot of things. I got this like a long time ago, maybe 2 years ago, so I'm not sure if they still have it. But this is a nice bronzer or blush for black skin. And then to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Gold Deposit highlighter from MAC. This highlighter pops, it doesn't finish. As you can see, it is still full. I don't know where I got it. I mean when I got it, but it's still full. Okay, enough with the highlighter, precious. Like, move on. Next step, please. Okay, are you almost done now? Okay, now I'm going to be using my finger to highlight my nose. You can use a small brush, which I didn't have access to at the moment, but like your finger also works as well. And now I'm gonna be using this purple lipstick paint from Anaka. This is a Zimbabwean brand. Support your Zimbabwean fellas instead of just buying from all these expensive brands, you know what I'm saying? Learn to support your own. This is a beautiful purple shade. Anyways, that's done. As you can see, I drowned my face in the fix spray from MAC, and I am done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Let me know if you like this new creative precious. Like, I'm trying to be creating some different looks instead of being basic, like the basic person I am.